How to learn Amazon SEO absolutely free. This is actually a very interesting consultation kasi may nag-inquire daw sa amin if we teach Amazon SEO. And marami na nagtatanong sa akin nito, may Amazon SEO training ba kayo? Hindi pa kami nag-offer ng Amazon SEO. And that is okay because you know what, I don't want to overcomplicate things, especially if most of our audience are beginners. And Amazon and SEO, dalawang magkahiwalay siya pero pinagsama. Alam mo yun? So instead of complicating our classes, meron kaming class for Amazon which is for product sourcing at meron kaming class for SEO which is for Google, SEO, AEO, and GEO siya. So pati sa mga AI kasama na. However, let me show you how you can learn Amazon SEO absolutely free. First, you can actually go to Amazon Seller University. This is Amazon's official training. Libre, legit, walang hype. Now, itong nag-inquire sa amin, meron na daw siyang basic experience when it comes to SEO. Ang current na ginagawa niya is PPC and she wants to learn end-to-end product launching. So obviously, kung ako yung nasa posisyon niya, ang kasunod ko na nagagawin would be to learn Amazon keyword research. Iba to sa Google ha. So let me show you. And I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but sa Red Up, merong Amazon Seller University where you can learn and watch a lot of videos for free. You can also search there, Helium 10 Amazon SEO, Jungle Scout, keyword research. And when you do your research nga pala, make sure that you go sa mga long form na tutorials, hindi yung mga quick hacks, ganyan. You can use these keywords to search for them and then especially si Bradley Sutton kasi this is perfect lalo na kung may PPC background ka na. Now, after that, using yung free plans ng kagaya sa Helium 10 or yung sa Jungle Scout, alam ko meron din yung libre. Kumbaga, hindi mo na kailangan na magbayad kagad. Aaralin mo lang is yung logic. Also, you want to look for people who are posting with real experience and not those na sasabihin nila na yun talaga yung expertise nila without, proof, kumbaga. Kasi makikita mo kagad doon kung ano yung mga gumagana sa mga product launch. And this is again specifically for this person who's asking ha. Kasi lagi ko ngang sinasabi na hindi lahat kailangan magbabayad ka kagad. Kumbaga, I want you to learn the foundation first and then you specialize. Now, ito naman is para do sa mga as in zero idea about Amazon or SEO. Sabi ko nga kanina, meron kaming magkahiwalay na class. So halimbawa gusto nyo pag-aralan is Amazon, mag-comment na lang kayo dito sa video na to or mag-message kayo ng word na Amazon, or kung gusto nyo naman pag-aralan is SEO, GEO, or AEO, isang class din lang yon. Pareho tong may internship ha, 999 lang. Mag-comment lang kayo ng SEO or Amazon and we'll send you over the link kung paano mag-join. Follow me if you want to learn more about how to build your VA skills. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!